Hello, fly babies. Hello, my lions. Hello, my patrons. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday, Renew Your Spirit Day, and it is just a 2-layer cake. We have routines, and not all of them, because we won't be doing laundry or paper. So we'll be having our morning routine, our after dinner routine, and our before bed routine. And then we have our basic weekly plan, which is Renew Your Spirit. A very wonderful, peaceful, restful day. So the first thing you're going to do is get up before the family and do your morning routine in that quiet half hour that you have to yourself before the kids get up. If your little kiddos are getting up, tell them it's not time to get up yet and to go back to bed. All right. After you've done your morning routine, you're going to put your family through their morning routine, and then it's out the door to renew your spirit together. When you get back, you're going to have a nice meal, and then later in the day, we're going to do our before bed routine. Let's go over it. I'm actually going to go over it the way it is in Sync Reflections by Flylady Marla Silly. She says to do your to-do list for tomorrow first. So if you have anything to put on your to-do list, jot it down now. My suggestion is to keep that in your control journal or your daily planner. So just run it down your little side because you've got a whole week that you can have a little to-do list, then prioritize it and plug it into the calendar. So make sure that's happening. Of course, check your calendar for tomorrow's appointments to see what's happening on Monday. What are the kids doing? What are you doing? Don't let something slip up on you. Don't be that person who's always running around with their like a chicken with their head cut off because you're late for an appointment that you totally forgot about. So make sure you're checking your calendar, you're planning your clothes, you're planning your day so that you can leave in a timely manner to get to that appointment on time looking presentable, okay? So check your calendar for appointments. I also want you to look and see in your planner, what day is it? Well, tomorrow is Weekly Home Blessing Hour, so you're going to have that in mind. What zone are we in? We're in zone 3 next week. That is the bathroom and one other room. What are you having for dinner? All of these things, I want you to look to make sure that you lay out your food for dinner if you need to put that in the fridge to thaw or whatever, okay? The next thing is, she says, put drinking glasses in dishwasher. And what that means to me is anything that anyone has been eating or drinking off of goes in the dishwasher, because right before you turn out the lights, you're going to push the button or pull that lever to turn your dishwasher on. Make sure there's soap in there. Lay out your clean cloths and shine your sink. So the first thing I do is spray a little Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day in my sink and on my counters and give it a little wipe out. I don't do a big job on the counters because they've already been wiped after dinner, just little spots. Wipe the faucets off, put out a new dish towel, and then take my dish towel from yesterday upstairs to my washing machine. I usually just lay it on the step so that when I go upstairs, I'll take it up. All right, the next thing it says to do is to put magazines away and put away all the items in the living room. Well, for me, that's part of your clutter check. Remember to do that clutter check before your before bed routine. So anything that's out of place can be put in place, okay? The next thing she says is open your mail if you've not done so. Well, we've already handled that in our zones because in our routines, because I took paper and made that into a routine, and on Sunday there is no mail. So, but normally you would make sure that's happening when you first come in the house. So I wouldn't include that as part of my before bed routine. Put your shoes in the closet. Again, that's the clutter check to complete your process. So you wouldn't have to be doing that because that will already be done. Put your clothes away and lay out clothes for tomorrow. Now, I do talk about that. Put the clothes that you're wearing today away, whether that's in the laundry basket or in the closet or in the drawer. If it's clean, put it away. If it's dirty, put it in the laundry basket. Lay out your clothes that will be appropriate for your tomorrow's activity. I don't lay them out. I hang them up behind the door in my bathroom. That's where I dress. Wherever you choose is fine with me. The next thing is wipe off your daily sheets. Now, she has daily sheets that she has a little paper protector on that she can mark with a erasable marker and wipe them off. And I know a lot of you have that, so it's time to clean the board if that's something you do. Now, me and a lot of the others already have this in mind because we don't have to write it down anymore because we know what our routines are. But if you're still new, you might want to have something like that. Okay, the next thing she says is take your medications. That is important. And I would say to do that before you put your glasses in the dishwasher. So if you take an evening medication, make sure you have it handy in a place you can see so you won't forget, and take your medication. Whenever that is fine. Brush your teeth, which is part of our regular before bed routine. Clean your face and moisturize your skin, absolutely. That will preserve your skin as long as possible, and you'll actually sleep better with a clean face. And then for me, I always have you taking a bath or a shower at night, but if that's not what you do, take it in the morning, and that's fine. And then the last thing she says is shout ta-da and celebrate your accomplishments for the day. I love that. Read for a while if that's what you do. Snuggle with your sweetie and fall asleep with a smile on your face and in your heart. She's so sweet. So that is your before bed routine. I want you to really focus on that this week, starting today, and make sure that you're getting that done. And another thing that I want to mention is make sure you're getting in bed in a timely manner so that you're getting 7 to 8 hours of rest. You need to be resting your body so that tomorrow you can get up when it's time to get up. And you can go do the things you need to do because you have rested your body. When your body sleeps is when it repairs itself, it's when it heals itself, and it's when children grow. It's very important that you get your rest. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.